shooting? Sorry. Okay, so welcome back to Pixel Village and I'm Radha Krishnan. Well, wasn't that very interesting? At the same time, very easy. I mean, you saw, right, how the students of Pixel Village Creator Academy shot those images. I mean, they just set it up in like no time and started shooting and got those amazing effects. How? With the help of this interesting, clever device called the AK-R21 from Godox. Godox, in fact, never, fails to surprise you with these interesting gadgets. Whenever they come out with it, they make sure that they're not only interesting, they're also extremely affordable. So the AK-R21 is one such device using which you can create those effects that you just saw if you have a round head or a square head flashes. Well, so this one is the V1, this is the AD200 Pro, both look very similar. Now, this box, includes a projection attachment, a round head adapter, Fresnel lens, a set of filters which actually creates those magical, effects on the wall, on the background, on the face, etc. They are basically slides and a slide holder. Well, fixing it onto a round head flash is very easy. This adapter goes and sits on top, right? This projection attachment, it's got a nice, clickable locks, goes in like this, it stays on. Then you have a lens that it's got a bayonet mount, it locks in and with adjustable length here. And of course you have a filter and a filter holder. Filter goes in and it gets slotted into the projection device and you're ready to go. So the basic kit comes with 10 slides, okay, one lens, a snoot, the round head adapter and the slide mount, using which you can create interesting images. And if you want to, use your other flashes like your, let's say, square heads, the AD200, then you will have to buy an additional accessory which will get mounted onto that. And of course, you also can get additional Fresnels. Now, or the lenses. Now, why do you need separate lenses? They are of different focal lengths. Now, this one is an 83, a 50, and what comes standard with this is a 65. Now, just like in photography, 50 mm here is the widest lens, which means it will throw a wider image onto the wall. 65 comes standard in the AK-R21 box, and the 83 will be a tele, which means it will throw a narrow beam or a narrow image on the wall. It's the same image, but through these three different lenses, the spread will get narrowed down as you go longer. Okay, you can also buy a 60 slide kit. I told you standard kit comes with 10 slides, but if you want more options, 60 different slides. I mean, you can go to town with your creativity, 60 pieces here. So these are additional purchases using, I just start with just an AK-R21, but adding these are not very expensive. I think you should buy everything together and go to town with your creativity. It's simple, straightforward. Well, the only prerequisite is that the ambient light should be less. You cannot really create these effects in bright daylight because, the camera has to register these. So it will happen only if there is. So we shot in a studio kind of a situation, or it has to be a dimly lit place. You cannot possibly create this in brightly lit situations. So those are the things that you need to take care. Godox also makes these interesting stands to mount your flashes in very low kind of angle. There are various different grips that are available. You can make use of all of them and create interesting images, that too in extremely tight budgets. Now, those were our students shooting. They are doing their final semesters, and these images are going to go into their portfolio. And I'm sure the examiner is going to be really impressed with what they have created. And of course, we also had an excellent model and makeup support. So that's all for this video. AK-R21 and other accessories that you can buy. Well, use it and, like I said, go to town with your creativity.